Today on Fly Rod Chronicles, I head to the sunny Gulf Coast of Florida to fish with Captain Chris of Double W Charters. Join us as we strip some flies over the shallow reefs and land some hard-fighting red snapper and amberjacks on the fly. Stick around.
It's a life that I love.
We're on Little River, and right there is what she's about, boys.
Am I happy? Look at that! Welcome to Alaska! Woo-hoo, look at that! There he goes, Steve! Look at that, baby! Yeah! That's bigger than Dollywood! That is incredible, isn't it?
Hey, I'm Curtis Fleming. Come along on my journey as I pursue my lifetime passion for the art of fly fishing. Join my friends, special guests, and I as we explore waters both far away and close to home. These are my Fly Rod Chronicles.
It was spring when we hooked up with Captain Chris of Double W Charters at his slip in Panama City, Florida, and loaded up our gear for the boat ride out to the reef. With beautiful blue skies and perfect conditions out on the water, I lined up my TFO 10 weight and got it ready for the action. Captain Chris used live bait fish to bring the snapper and amberjack up off the reef to the surface so we could cast flies at them.
Man, when you come out there on the first cast and load your live well, it makes the day a lot easier.
No sooner had we pulled up to the first spot when Forrest snuck to the back of the boat and hooked up a jack on one of my rods while everyone else was busy getting ready.
You guys were supposed to let me do a little bit of work, and he's first, and then
I hate this kind of fishing.
oh, there goes my 10 weight.
Whoa.
You putting a boom on it. Oh, that thing's going for a ride. Now, how much can an amberjack weigh? I think state record's somewhere around 120. Okay. Most of the fish that we'll be catching today are between 5 and 8 pounds. Oh, wow. That's an AJ, isn't it? Yes, sir. There you go. How cool was that? All right.
Dude,
huh?
that's what it's about there.
That's so cool. Good job, man.
Man. All right, sorry about that.
He's sorry, yeah. Forrest, we're down in the Gulf of Mexico, and this is down near Panama City, right?
Just off the coast of Panama City, about 3 miles.
All right, we're with Captain Chris, and it's a Double W Charters. When people see Forrest catching these fish here, people are going to be saying, gosh, if Forrest can catch these fish, I can catch them, so they're going to want to come down here.
Well, it's pretty amazing fishery, and being able to catch these normally deep water fish up here on the top of the water, it's pretty special. Yeah, because I mean we're doing something here today that you don't see a lot, and I mean I think it's going to be cool because we're going to be catching bottom type fish like snapper, that kind of stuff on fly rods at the surface. I mean, all jokes aside, I was just checking my stuff here a second ago and caught a 20-inch amberjack in just a minute, so I was like, this is going to be good, Curtis.
All right, then. You see an amber still? Oh, I see a snapper going at it there. Ooh, oh my! Oh, that's a red snapper. Oh, that's the dinner bell's dinging. Oh Lord! Hey, you're not lying about this 10 weight. Putting the book. Are you serious? Snapper on the fly rod in the Gulf, baby. I'm just hanging on. Oh Lord, is it going? This could be a while. Oh, look at that fish. What was that thing? I'll tell you what, Captain Chris has got some fish down here. Daggone. This fish wants to take me over here. Can I come over here, James? Oh, man. I'll tell you what. Oh, we're up the leader here. Oh. Oh, I'm seeing something. Oh, he's a good snapper. That's what I wanted. Oh, man. Look at that. Oh, it's pretty. Yeah, you can lead her whenever you're ready. Oh, yes, sir, baby. Woo! Check him out, Big Brock. Oh, man. Oh, yeah. How cool is that? Chris, thank you, brother.
Yes, sir.
Nice. Look at this guy. How cool. James, you gotta get a picture of that. Look at that guy. On the fly.
Welcome back to Fly Rod Chronicles in Panama City, Florida.
Ooh, fish on! Fish!
At this point, it's probably just going to be luck of the draw, whichever one gets to it first. It's just,
Oh, Lord.
it's hard to get one species up without.
Oh, man, now that's a fighting fool right there. That is crazy. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Uh-oh. Oh, man, keep yours over there, man. You stay on that side of the boat for us. You got to be kidding me.
This is totally ridiculous. This truly ought to be against some sort of law.
Oh,
That's a way to get some line back right there.
oh,
Oh, that's the way to lose it again.
okay, I'm seeing leader. I don't know what we got. Oh, I thought, yeah, there he goes back. We were making some gains on it. Oh man, here we go. That ain't good.
You got him mad.
I'm working him, man. Work it out, Chris.
Work it out, sir.
This fish is serious. Oh, I'm seeing collar. Oh, that's an amberjack. Hey, I got my first amberjack, don't I?
There's some Jim Dandies out here.
Is it?
That's a snapper. Good snapper.
All right. Oh, that's a good snap.
That's a pretty one right there.
Nice.
Man, Nick Johnson, River's Edge, tied up at 9/11.
Look at. Whoa. How crazy is that? Look at this guy. Brock, can you get a picture of this one here?
Yeah, there.
Oh, fish on, fish on. Hey, what are you doing?
Gotta get you a double.
Oh, we got a double. Look.
Oh, we got a double.
We got a double.
All right, let me
Oh, man.
get out of the way.
I think mine's a snapper, and it looks a little bigger than yours just by the bend of my rod.
Hey, I feel like
Oh, golly.
two country artists were picking the guitar on stage side by side.
You ain't gonna sing, are you? Oh, did you lose yours? Did he? Oh, you still got your fly. I'm gonna bring this fish in. Oh. Okay, I'm at my leader here.
Okay, I'm coming to you. Another nice snapper.
Another nice snapper. Yeah. Nice. Snapper, baby. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Is that a good one, Chris?
He's a little on the small side.
Okay. Can we turn him back?
We can turn him loose.
Let's do that. Let's release this guy. All right, Chris, let's put him back in there. Nice, nice.
I asked Captain Chris how the recent oil spill had affected his area.
Hey Chris, with the recent oil spill right now, what has it affected the Gulf up here yet?
Not so much in the Panama City area.
Okay.
60, 70 miles west of us, from Destin to Pensacola, they've had a little bit of impact from it. We've noticed some pelagic type species of fish moving towards our area.
Right.
So that's one way that we can tell that the oil is coming.
Yeah.
But as far as our beaches, everything is just as pristine as they always are.
Good, good. But you guys are expecting to get some up this way.
We are expecting it, for
Yeah,
sure.
yeah. And I know that's got to be a tough one. You know, I mean, this is your business. This is, you know, your living, and I know it's got to be heartbreaking to know.
It is. It's not so much for the business,
Yeah.
but the environmental impacts just, it's unexplainable.
Yeah.
The fishery is so special around here.
Sure. Well, I know you'll keep people updated on your website and everything, and hopefully, you know, this will pass through and fishing will continue.
Well, Mother Nature has a way of
That's right.
working things out.
Yeah.
So.
All right, I say we catch some fish. What do you think?
Sounds good.
All right. Ooh, very good. Fish on. Oh, fish. I don't know what he is either. Let's see. This is crazy. Forrest, you're hooked up too. There you go.
Been a long time since I heard this much grunting.
That's crazy.
Oh, nice snapper.
Is that a good snapper there?
Yep.
Chris says a good snapper. Oh, look at that guy. There it is right there. Got to come down here and check Chris out. This is incredible. On the fly. On the fly. Oh man, that's a good one.
Nice snapper.
Oh, there he goes. There he's official. Oh, this is serious, man. There you go. Oh. I guarantee you, Rick Pope's watching this show right now and he's like, work that rod, Curtis. Show him what that 10 weight can do. That's what we built it for. Ooh. Man, oh man. That is one stout fish. Hey James, we're gonna have to come back right after this and land this fish. It's gonna take a while. You wanna take a break? All right, back to Fly Rod Chronicles right after this. Welcome back to Fly Rod Chronicles in Florida. Oh.
I've officially caught something I'm pretty serious about.
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh Lord. All right, we're gonna do the dance. You ready?
Yep, good.
Okay, come on. How nuts is this, baby? I'm picking up your slack right here because I got a big snapper. Big snapper. Chris, I got a big snapper on.
Oh, that's a fine one.
That's a dandy, isn't it? Dandy. That is a dandy snapper. Look at that. Man. That's a good one. That's a good one right there. Well, they do got some teeth on them, don't they? Almost took 2 digits off.
The snapper actually look like they're getting a little more aggressive.
Ooh, oh man, that did not wait at all. That was serious. That thing just went angry, bitter, straight to the ground, maybe heading up toward Louisiana or Texas. That fish is just crazy. Man, oh man. Mine went straight to the bottom. Oh, nuts, just, this could be a while. No, just saltwater fish.
You want to leader him, or is it too early?
Ooh, if you can get a couple more poles on him.
Okay. I'm gonna bring him right back to you here. I thought it was. That's a big AJ. That's a big AJ.
Okay, they're all yours.
Oh man. Chris, that's a big one, isn't it?
But great sport fish.
Oh man. How cool. All right, let's get him back in. You said that's a good one, Chris.
That's a good fish.
Okay. Wow. Man, look at him. And they go straight to the bottom, don't they?
Back to join the herd.
It's crazy. Huh? Thank you, buddy. Ooh! And that burnt too. That burnt. Woo! He took that for a ride. Look at that. Straight to the back end. Oh man. How nuts. 10 weight on the fly. You know what? I also need bigger arms and more strength and a younger body, but it is what it is, you know? I mean, turned 30 last week. It's tough on me, man, turning 30.
I turn 30 every year.
Oh, this is nuts.
That's kind of acting like a big snapper, the way he's staying down.
He is buried to the bottom. He is coming up. I don't have a clue what this is, Chris.
Got color on the fish.
Yeah.
It's a big snapper.
It's a big snapper! Big snapper, he said.
Monster snapper.
Monster snapper. Damn, Forrest, are you being serious?
Yeah. Whoa, dude, that's him.
That's him.
Yeah, that's him.
What a slab.
Bruce, we caught Bruce. We caught Bruce. That's it right there, baby. We caught Bruce, dude. That thing's big as Brock. Holy smoke. Look at that cat. Woo! That's serious. That's a good one. Uh-oh, we got us a double. Oh! Oh! Look, this is ridiculous. You know what? I like you and everything, but oh man, what are we gonna do here? You know what? This looks borderline like, you know, yeah, I don't have to, you got me. Yeah. Daggone. You know what? How crazy is this?
Dude, Captain Chris is the man.
The man down in Panama City.
It's ridiculous.
Oh, it's crazy.
Hey, look at it, bent rod since we've been here.
We're gonna be here for a while, aren't we?
Yeah, we might as well close this deal. I'm telling you right now.
serious?
Oh yeah, it's gonna be a
Why
while.
don't we just do a second show?
Let's do that.
We can't. We gotta land these fish sometime. All right, let me get mine away from yours. Yeah, but you know what? Hey, Forrest, straight up, we do gotta close the show. It's only 30 minutes long. You know what? Come back next week, Fly Rod Chronicles. Where we're gonna be at next, Forrest?
Who knows, but it can't be any better than this.
I know. Now get out of my way here. I gotta.
Sorry.
Look at this. Gosh, this looks terrible, man. Terrible. Get over there, man. Dang. Thanks for hanging out with Fly Rod Chronicles. Come back next week.